What up, YouTube? This is Ryan. I'm in my garage. It is a mess in here, but I need to get a video out to you. Not need, I want to. Just things come up, things happen. I actually got sick and 10 had COVID. So we just like played it. Well, I had the cold, he had COVID. I didn't get COVID yet. I still believe I'm below the height line for the germ line or whatever. So that's why I haven't got COVID. Cool. So today is 13B day. We are gonna take apart all the accessories. Got some sockets and that, and I'm pretty sure there's no oil in it. Oh, there's a little bit. Hopefully it's just some at the bottom of the pan. But with the G, we need to order a throttle body and get that ordered, get that put on there. We're probably gonna, I think we'll work on a little bit this coming week, so we can still keep that going. We just want to make sure it runs good and everything before we put all the high dollar items into the car. And also, before I forget, please subscribe. I'm not like trying to beg you to subscribe, but when we reach 100 subscribers, I'm giving away a gauge. I need to order one for the speed out there. So I'm gonna order 2 of the same ones I get. They will be AEM. You're gonna want to win it. It's gonna be at least $150 gauge. If you win it, I don't care what you do with it. You put it on your car, you sell it, you give it to somebody else. I don't care. All I want is a subscribe and a comment. Current subscribers, if you're watching this, comment. That's all you got to do. Because obviously you're subscribed. So I'll do, when does it end? When I hit 100. Whenever I hit 100, so the faster we get to 100, the faster I'll buy those gauges, and the faster that you guys get a gauge. I don't care what the comment says. It could be about the video. It could say just I subscribed or I am subscribed, where you're from. I will need to know that when I do ship it. But 100 subscribers, free gauge. Every video until I get to 100 subscribers will tell you the same thing. Subscribe. I think it's like right here. Then the like button's right here. But hey, let's dive into this and get dirty. Get this 13B tore apart. We need to see what we need to order. See why it leaks oil. All right. Peace. Okay, so we have pretty much everything off, I think, that needs to come off. The next thing I think we need to do, bear in mind, this video is documentation, so how to put the sucker back together without looking up a form. This is my first rotary. Mazda 13B. All that shit needs cleaned. Hands are filthy. So next, I guess we start unstacking it. I guess we'll find out as we go. So we got to get this sucker off, and we were gonna try to use a big impact from Jason, but I'm a little. Let's try this one. I gotta use this big ass sucker, and it's not big enough. If we don't have a socket for this might be the end of the video. We're up to 1 7/8. Nope. Not 1 7/8. We're just gonna jump right to the big one, a big 2-incher. Oh, really? I don't have a socket. Damn, it's bigger than 2 inches. Okay, you know the coolest thing about a full build, like with my list over there, is tearing apart an engine. You know, you have to take everything apart, especially on this rotary. Well, maybe you don't, but I did, because I'm gonna clean everything and replace a lot of things with different stuff. There's a lot of things actually I don't know. Like, like these four, I think it's for the OMP pump, which, oh, I don't even see it. It might have got stuck over there. But, so the issue I had, actually everything came apart really well. I only had one problem with, I believe maybe the EGR pipe. I'm gonna look up and make sure that's for the EGR. If it is, we're gonna delete that, put a plate in there. But I couldn't go any further because I don't have a socket big enough for this. And I believe my tape measures inside, so I can't even measure what size it is. Hold on, I'm gonna go get my tape measure. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the tape measure. 2 1/8. Nope, 2 1/4. 2 1/8. 2 1/8. The biggest socket I had was 2-inch socket, and then like an 1/8 inch. Well, however the socket measures, it was an 1/8 inch for me in the right size. So I'll have to go buy one in order to take this off. And I still want to try out Jason's impact, see if we can get it loose. It might come loose because I think it's been torn apart before, but we will find out. I've seen or heard, read, whatever, stories of people who couldn't even get this off with a really, really big impact. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to maybe use a big freaking breaker bar, like strap this down to the table. Sorry, my eyes are burning. The fumes from my heater down there kind of got to me, and I might be getting a little tired. It is, what time is it? 2:02. So with that, this will be part 1 of tearing apart the 13B. Hey, well, at least we got a lot further today than it's been in like a whole freaking year. The engine was out, the motor's torn apart, well, halfway torn apart, all the accessories are off. It's freaking cool. This is the coolest engine I think I'll ever get to work on, personally. All right, guys, I'm gonna get off here, order that part, and get a bunch of engine degreaser. But hey, I gotta go get cleaned up. I'm all dirty. I'll see you guys later. Peace.